Assalamu alaikum. My name is Basma bin Zamia and I'm a solution consultant at LaunchTech. Today we will go through a step-by-step guide on how to install Material Studio, a computational chemistry software with a wide range of solvers. Material Studio can be installed in both Windows or a Linux system, but in this tutorial we will go through the installation steps on a Windows system, which is the most requested one. Before we begin, please ensure that you have the following. 1. A valid Material Studio license file. It should be something like this, that is .lic, and it has the keyword BioVia Flex with a serial number after it. You can get this through directly Dassault System or one of its partners. If you are based in the Middle East, you can always reach out to LaunchTech, since we are also a BioVia provider and a Dassault Systems partner in the Middle East. Also, you need to have administrative privileges on your machine to ensure that the installation goes smoothly, and internet access to download Material Studio media files. Starting, let us download Material Studio media files. For it, you have to go to the download platform that's where all the download files of all Dassault System softwares are available in there, which is software.3ds.com. It will prompt you to log in. If you don't have a 3D Experience account, you can always create one. It will take you to this page. Right now, you can just filter by the brand. Material Studio is part of BioVia brand, and you can filter by the type, which is Lab Scientific and Content Solutions. And you can filter by the release. In here, I would like to walk you through the installation of Material Studio 2025. And also you can filter by the operating system, in here Windows. And here you can see, let me just show more details. There are 3 downloadable files. The main installer is the .exe file. And also you can also download the documentation file. The documentation file includes written step-by-step installation of installation guides on both Material Studio and the license server of Material Studio, which is License Pack. For me, I already have both files downloaded. This is the .exe file. After you extract it, you will have this file. And let us also extract the documentation file, so you have a glimpse on the installation documents that are available in there. As you can see in here, it is the License Pack Installation Guide, Material Studio Installation Guide, and the system requirements. But for now, since we are already going to install Material Studio, let us go to the extracted file, Material Studio 2025, and click on Setup. This will walk you through a step-by-step process of installing both the License Manager, which is License Pack, and Material Studio. Click on Next and enter your username, your name, and your organization name, and click on Next. In here, you can choose the installation destination folder. I'll just keep it as the default one, which is in the program files. In here, you have to choose between only installing the visualizer or installing the complete software, which is both the visualizer and the server softwares and the modules. I will choose that. Also the gateway, I will choose the default and will choose to start it with the installation, and I will click install. Automatically, it will also, if you don't have the License Manager, License Pack, it will prompt you, it will start installing it as well, since it is needed. and this will take few minutes. It looks like the installation has finished. Let us click on keep this checked on, configure licensing, and let us click on finish. This will prompt us to actually open the license pack and install our license, the one that we downloaded before. This will open to you BioVia License Administrator. The first step is to install the license, so go to Install License and click on Browse and choose the license file, the .lic, and click on Install. It will take a few seconds. You should receive this message: license file was installed successfully and the license server has been started. Okay, let's go to the connections. If this is because it was already configured for me, but if this is not configured yet for you, you can click on Edit. Here the host name will be the same host name that was that is given in the license file, and it should be the host name of your current machine, and the port 1715 is the default port. If you would like to change it, yes, you can. So I'll just click on OK, and it should here state that it is started, and run it. We do not need this anymore. This is the first look when you open Material Studio. Let us click this and create a new project. And with this, you have right now just installed Material Studio, and you can create right now project. Let us try to import a structure. There are already pre-built structures, example structures available. Now that we have the structures, you can use the different solvers available or modules available to run the type of simulation that you would like to run. If you encounter any issues during the installation, you can always refer to the file, to the documentation file, the one that we downloaded previously. It has more extensive steps. And thank you for watching this installation guide. And now you are ready to begin exploring the powerful tools and modules and capabilities of Material Studio. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to our channel and visit our website if you have any requirements regarding BioVia software or Material Studio specifically. Thank you very much.